Who doesn't love a good mojito, right? Stick around and I'll show you how to make a perfect pitcher of mojitos, guaranteed to please your guests every single time. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect pitcher of mojitos. Now, if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best advice on all things bartending and cocktail, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down here, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now, I perfected this recipe living in Miami, and it absolutely killed every single time I used it at a pool party, barbecue, or whatever kind of get-together you can imagine. What can I say? It's the mojito. A lot of people love it. Guaranteed crowd pleaser. Now for this recipe, all you're going to need is, of course, your pitcher. You're going to go with 1 cup of simple syrup, 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, and of course, 2 cups of rum. Now, if you want to make it a little bit fancy, something a little nicer for the aesthetic, you can add some lime wheels to it. Totally optional, but while you have it in the pitcher, it looks a little nicer. And while we're on the subject mojitos, I'd love to know how you prefer your mojito. Are you a classical mojito person, or do you go for some of the variations, the flavored variations that are out there? Do me a favor, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to see what you guys like, and based on what I see, maybe I'll do a video on one of these variations and shout you out for giving me the inspiration. Now what you want to do is go ahead and take the simple syrup, the fresh lime juice, and the fresh mint leaves. Take your muddler, go ahead and give it a light muddle. And all you want to do is, if you've seen a lot of my other videos with regards to working with mint, you just want to basically agitate it. You don't want to shred the mint leaves because then it has too much of a vegetal flavor, but you just want to bruise them just enough to release the mint oils into the mixture. And so just give that a nice light muddle so everything starts to incorporate. Once you've done that, go ahead and add the rum to it and give it a nice stir. Now, prior to serving it, go ahead and add a large ice cube to it and give that a nice stir as well, just to kind of bring the cocktail down to temperature. Now, the reason I tell you not to add all the ice to it at once, go ahead and check out this video right here, and it breaks down why I'm so particular about how and when you add ice to your cocktail. Now, once your pitcher is good and mixed, go ahead and add it to your glass with some crushed ice. Fill it to about 3/4 of the glass, and then before you're done, go ahead and top that off with about an ounce and a half of sparkling water. Now, theoretically, of course, you could add it to the pitcher prior to that. I personally like adding it to the end because you still get that nice carbonation, a little bit of a pop when you're sipping the cocktail. Once you've done that, go ahead and garnish it with a nice fresh sprig of lime. Agitate it over your fingers just to break it up a little bit, not to completely destroy it, but to get the aromas out, and then place it gently in the ice so that it's a perfect sip every single time your guests have it. And there you have it, your perfect pitcher of mojitos. Now, if you want to find out how to make a single serving of a mojito, you could check out this video right here. And if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills, take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. If you haven't already, go ahead and download our free PDF, the Barprints cheat sheet, that gives you all the resources and shows you how to go from a novice bartender to pretty much a pro in under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I hope you have, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Helps the channel out way more than you know. And for more great advice and bartending tips, go ahead and check out these videos right here. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.